Ay, basta photo damdaman daw. Hi, Sam. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much. How old are you? I'm 23. I'm from Philippines and thank you, Alpa. Thank you guys. Can you What do you mean, Sam? What 3-6? Santa Maria, San Ildefonso, Los San Rafael. Inulaan niya. Basta, ba't malapit lang siya sa Pampanga? Paliwag, so good. Ganda mo naman. Thank you, everyone. Ako, 22. Kalumpit. Pulilan. Inulaan niya talaga. Basta, yun na yun. Oo nga pala, no, yung kalumpit katabi din ng apalit. And yung baliwag katabi din ng Pampanga. Like Candaba and Duyong. And guess na lang doon. You look so young. I like you, Candaba. No? That's San Luis. Yeah. You look so young. I'm already 23. Thank you, Chocolate Good. Thank you, guys. I'm from Bulacan. Guys, hindi ako marunong sumayaw, promise. Lagi nila sinasabi yung sumayaw ako. Hindi ako marunong sumayaw. Yung TikTok ko, wala siyang laman kasi hindi ako marunong sumayaw. Carry pa yung yung like, lip sync, ganon. Carry ko yun. Tetagasan ka. I'm from Bulacan, everyone. I'm from Bulacan. Baby face. Yeah. Lalo na sa personal kasi maliit ako. 5 flat lang ako. Very pretty. Thank you, guys. Dapat talaga din ako nagkape. Intindihan mo sana. What are you drinking? A Nescafe. A coffee. I can't live without coffee, guys. Yeah. Taga Bulacan ka ba? Yes po. Like sa isang araw yata, nakakatatlong kape ako. Wait lang. Kasi ayoko lang talaga umupo. Nangalay ako kanina. Coffee is good, sweet, no cream. Yeah. I like kahit anong coffee. Even no sugar, black coffee, everything. Etong no sugar to ice black. Ay, may sugar naman pala siya. Pero mapait din siya. Pero bet ko yung mga ganda. Sana makatulog ako. Americano? What? Anong Americano? Yung ininom ko? Ice Americano. Yeah, I think. Only you. I'd say, biglang nagkakanta na lang ako. One step away. Hi, Rains. And I find myself coming back. Sige guys, tanong lang kayo tanong. Taga San Rafael, Bulacan. No, I can say lang. I only can say Bulacan lang. Not the specific. Walaan nyo. Malaki yung Bulacan, guys. Guys, later na ako mag-follow back na. Hi, Prince Charles. Thank you. Thank you so much. Later na ako mag-follow back. Nahirapan ako, one device lang yung hawak. Thank you, Prince Charles. I take... So for those who don't know, this is my fourth day in Bicol. Thank you, thank you, thank you also to Alpha and Prince Charles. Thank you guys. You saved the night. Thank you guys. Nakita kita sa personal. Hoy, totoo ba? Thank you, Alpha. Totoo ba? Just arrived in Philippines. Where are you from, Prince Charles? I'm good. Hello, Clifford. Hi. Thanks, Alpha and Prince. And chocolate. Follow back. Ingat po. Ano? Ay, si Mansi. Wait lang, si Mansi Prince Charles. Totoo ba? Ano? Sino yun? Thank you. Thank you. Thanks to Alpha. Thank you. Oh my God, thank you, Alpha. Ano, si Man din yung... Thank you for being so beautiful and nice. Yeah, because I'm nice naman talaga. Especially to those, who nice to me. Trap lang here sa airport. Thank you, Prince Charles. Thank you so much, guys. You can ask me pa anything. Hi, Enigma. How old are you, Prince Charles? Are you in 20s? Hi, Chocolate. Thank you, Chocolate. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Chocolate goods. I'm 30 na. That's young pa naman. Yeah. Kasi naisip ko, ang bata mo pa sa sa 20s. 20s lang ako. 23. Thanks to Alpha. Thank you, guys.